Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Microsoft To Do with Outlook integration, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft To Do on your device. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the settings icon to access the configuration options. Scroll down to the section labeled Integrations. Locate the option for Outlook integration. Toggle the switch to enable Outlook integration. You may be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft account if you haven't done so already. Enter your email and password to log in. Once logged in, confirm any permissions requested by Microsoft To Do. Return to the Integrations section to check if Outlook integration is now active. Open Outlook on your device. Navigate to the Tasks section in Outlook. You should see your Microsoft To Do tasks synced here. To test the integration, create a new task in Microsoft To Do. Refresh the Tasks section in Outlook to see if the new task appears. If the task syncs successfully, the integration is working correctly. Feel free to customize your settings further as needed. Enjoy managing your tasks with Microsoft To Do and Outlook integrated seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.